Nike Cosmic Unity 3. Jade Ice 2023. It's possible that the Cosmic Unity 3 offers the best value for your money if you're a hooper seeking for new wheels. It is among Nike's more impressive new releases at the moment in terms of design. The fly mesh material used for the top is extremely detailed and features a unique knit pattern that you won't find anyplace else. Though it could need a few wears to fully break in, its low-to-the-ground feel and lightweight package led it to perform on par with the best. Nike continues to strive to produce vibrant variations that match the colors found in nature with their new Jade Ice model. With a hint of yellow, this energizing color scheme conjures up the dreamy waters of far-off islands. The SRP is $160 and the release date is July 28, 2023.